All right. So today we are looking at a topic on how to calculate tax paid on income from salary and wages in Australia. Well, for those who have been working in accounting and tax, you can skip this video. This video is not for you. This video is useful for those who are new to Australian tax system, especially the immigrant. Come from a country where the tax system is different to Australia. Last week, a friend of mine who worked in a restaurant and just received a PAYG Payment Summary from the employer asked me, what is the difference between a tax withheld number and a gross payment on that slip? Well, actually, it never crossed my mind that someone would ever ask such questions like that, but it happened, And curious enough, I went online and I searched for a few keywords, and it popped out like people ask those kind of questions all the time. How do you calculate tax pay? How much tax should I pay? How do you calculate take home pay? What percentage of tax do I pay? Therefore, I decided to clear things up for her and also took the chance to make a video about the topic as well. Before jumping into the calculation step, I'd like to highlight some key points we can learn from this video. First, the employer might issue the employee PAYG Payment Summary or income statement for the purpose of calculating tax paid. In 2021, some employer might still use the payment summary to do so, but from 2021 onward, the new system has to be applied, which is the SDP. We might talk about it in another different article. There are two most fundamental items you will see on a payment summary, which is the gross payment and the tax withheld. So, by using a worksheet included in this video and also in the articles with the link below, you can easily calculate the tax paid on the salary or wages. I wouldn't say income because income might include different other source than salary and wages. And the last thing we should know is the tax rate and bracket for the current financial year. Alright, so we should look at the PAYG payment summary for a while to see what should have been reported on that piece of paper. PAYG's payment summary is nothing more than a piece of paper with your personal information and a few numbers on it. Personal information basically include your name, your date of birth, and of course, your tax file number. By the way, the tax file number or TFN you see on the slip right there is nothing more than a 9-digit number which the tax authority issued to you after you apply for one. It's a unique number, and in most cases you have to keep using the same number for the rest of your life for tax purposes. In addition, it also includes some general information regarding your employer information like their name, their trading name, their ABN, their address, right? Alright, easier ways to explain the matter is by looking at an example. So I construct an example here. The case Noran Wonga. Noran has been working for Food Taste restaurant since 29 July 2020. On 11 September 2021, she received the PAYG payment summary from the employer, where she earned her sole income from wages. Nora want to estimate the amount of tax she got to pay or get refunded after finalization. So in the following part of the video, we will just use the file you can find in the article or by access the link in the description of this video to calculate the tax payable or refund based on the gross payment and tax withheld appear on NORA Payment Summary.